Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram net not working or Instagram not working today error on your phone. So many users have reported that they were not able to access the Instagram app on their devices, as while launching the app, only a gray screen is occurring and no new feed is coming. So if you are also into the same situation, then follow the methods discussed in this video. The very first method, what you need to do is to check the server status of Instagram. So you can simply search for Instagram down detector, and after that open it, and here you will find that there are lots of reports on the Instagram app. So if such kind of issues is occurring, you have to wait for some time unless the Instagram app works again. So after checking it, you have to wait for some time, and after that launch the app and check. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable. If you are using mobile data, then you can switch to Wi-Fi or do vice versa, and then check if everything is working fine. If not, you should force stop the app once and then check if the Instagram app is launching or not. So for that, click and hold the app, then click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on OK. Once done, now check and launch the app. If the issue still continues, you should clear the cache of the app. For that, click on storage. Now click on clear cache, and after that go back and launch the app and check if it's working. Next is to check if the app needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Instagram, and here you have to check if there is any update available for the app. If yes, update your app to the latest version, and after that launch the app and check if Instagram is working now or not. If not, after doing all the methods, you should restart your phone once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button, and here you have to select swipe to restart, or simply restart, whatever option you get. And after your device restarts, now launch the app and check if it's working. If not, you can go for another option, that is go to Google Play Store and you can search for Instagram Lite app. Instagram Lite. So this is an useful option. So you simply install it, log into it, and hopefully you can access the app as before. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.